So hi there mga palanggang. So for today's video is I'm gonna be doing my voiceover. This is on how to make homemade cheese pimiento. Actually guys, this video was taken or was recorded like several days ago na. So today ko lang napag-isipang i-gawa ng voiceover. I don't know why. So ayan na po, you just have to grate the cheese. Oh, grate lang. Kasi nga, alangan naman yung bar gamitin mo, di ba? Paano mo yan ma-mix ng maayos? So you just have to grate it properly. Like, choose the non-quick melt one, guys, para goods ba. So you just have to put a bit of Spanish paprika, condensed, and mayo. So you just have to mix it and then put it inside the container or inside the jar. So good thing about making this homemade cheese pimiento, guys, is that syempre wala siyang additives or something preservatives or what the tips din nilalagay nila to make like the lifespan or to make it stay long. So after you put it inside the jar, refrigerate mo lang yan. So yan lang, kailangan mo siyang i-consume as soon as possible para hindi siya masira. Kasi nga, hindi siya na like, whenever had you chance to, yung iba kasi parang naka-pressure canner yan sila, or yung, like, mamatay yung bacteria ba, like, bacteria na makakos ng, maging mabilis ma-spoil yung food. So, yun lang guys. Sobrang sarap niya. Like, I swear, it's the second time around doing this homemade cheese pimiento since I arrived here. So, ayan lang. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan sa jar. Ewan ko nga ba. Yun lang. Basta sobrang sarap niya, guys. You must try this at home. Feeling ko mas makasave kayo if you're gonna do the homemade one. And then, after that is mangawa tayo dito ng bread. O, ayan na. Nasa freezer pa yan. Kasi nga, puno yung rep eh. Sa freezer na may lagay. Bakit ba? Toast natin yan ng saglit. And then, tara! O, lagyan na natin yan ng natira nung nilagay natin sa jar. So, you just have to spread. As in, sobrang sarap nila, guys. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. You must try this at home. Ayun na, halos lalabas or mahulog na yung mata ko. Excited na kumain yan, oh. Hindi pa kontento. Ayan na, ginamitan pa. Tinapay na talaga yung kinuha.